Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have something really exciting to share with you, especially if you love drawing and coloring. In today's video, we're going to talk about how artificial intelligence, or AI, can be a fantastic tool to make coloring and drawing even more fun and creative for kids. One of the amazing AI tools we'll be exploring is called Leonardo AI. It's designed to assist kids in coloring their drawings in a whole new way. So why is Leonardo AI so helpful for coloring drawing books for kids? First, it's super easy to use. Kids can simply upload their drawings to the platform, and Leonardo AI does the rest. It's perfect for kids who may not have access to a wide range of coloring supplies or those who want to experiment with different color combinations. Leonardo AI can also help children learn about colors and shading, improving their artistic skills. Let's take a look at how it works with a fun example. Here's a drawing of an apple, and we're going to use Leonardo AI to color it. As you can see, the AI takes the drawing and adds vibrant colors to it, making it even more appealing. Here's the before and after comparison. The transformation is truly remarkable. What's great about Leonardo AI is that it doesn't limit creativity. Kids can still choose the colors they want, and the AI enhances their choices. It's like having a digital coloring buddy, helping you make your artwork even more beautiful. So if you're a parent, teacher, or a young artist looking to add a sprinkle of magic to your drawings, give Leonardo AI a try. It's a fantastic way to make coloring and drawing books for kids even more enjoyable and educational. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might be interested in this creative tool.